Lesson 8.1 Adding and Subtracting Polynomials by Dominique Hasbun, G Block. What is a polynomial anyway? It means more than one term in our equation. A perfect example of a polynomial is x cubed plus 5x squared minus x minus 1. A key point to remember is that polynomials are always written in standard form. Standard form means descending order. Descending order is, for example, if you have x cubed, then x squared, then x to the first power, you have them in descending order of the amount of powers the number is taking or the variable is taking. Adding and subtracting polynomials. Degree of polynomial. This means the largest exponents in the equation. This is known as x cubed and x squared. Well, obviously it would be x cubed since it's the biggest one. Coefficients. Those are the numbers in front of the variables, like 3x, the 3, 4x, the 4, so on. Leading coefficients. These are the numbers in front of the biggest exponent, meaning if we have an equation like 5x cubed and 4x to the second power, 5 is bigger since it's cubed and 4 is smaller since it's simply squared. So how do we classify our polynomials? We can classify them by number of terms. One term is known as a monomial. An example is 6 or x or 5 to the 6th power. Also, two terms can be called a binomial. An example would be x plus 5, 7x squared, negative x squared. Three terms is known as trinomial. X squared plus 5x minus 7. Three terms in our equation. Four or more terms is known as a polynomial. The other form of classifying our polynomials is by degree. No exponent, our polynomial is constant. If it's to the first power, it's linear. If it's to the second degree, squared, it's quadratic. Third degree, or cubed, it's cubic. Fourth degree, or to the fourth power, is quartic. Fifth or more is to the nth degree. What do we mean by the nth degree? By this we mean that it would be 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, so on. So, let's do some practice. For the first two, we're going to write them in standard form, and we're going to name the degree and the number of terms. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time, some seconds to copy it down, and then we're going to see what we got. Hopefully we got it right. So you can copy it down. 3 plus 8t squared, 3 plus b cubed plus b squared, and the other ones you're going to write them in standard form and simplify them if you need to. 2v cubed minus v plus 8, parentheses, negative b cubed plus v minus 3. The other problem is 8c cubed minus 3x squared minus 7, negative c, well, parentheses, negative c cubed minus c squared plus 9. So, how do we do it? 3 plus 8t squared is simplified to 8t squared plus 3. So, since the 8t has the 2, we have to put it first so it's in standard form, and that's a quadratic binomial. And the second one comes out to be b cubed plus b squared plus 3, a cubic trinomial. And for the other two, which were a little bit of a challenge, you have to simplify it to v cubed plus 5. And the last one, you simplify it 7c cubed minus 2z squared minus 16. So you gotta break up the parentheses, distribute the negative sign, negative c cubed, positive c squared, negative 9, and then you just gotta combine your terms. It's actually really simple. Everybody, thanks for watching, and there's a little joke